Ria was a 16-year-old girl who loved to draw, but she always thought her art wasn't good enough. Every day, she compared herself to professional artists online and felt discouraged. "I'll never be as good as them," she told herself. One day, her school announced an art competition. Ria hesitated, afraid of failing, but her best friend, Arav, encouraged her. "Just give it a try. Even small steps count," he said. Ria decided to draw every day for 20 minutes. At first, her sketches were simple and messy, but she didn't give up. Day by day, her confidence grew. She experimented with colors, learned new techniques online, and practiced shading. The competition day arrived. Ria submitted her best drawing, a small painting of a tree in bloom. She didn't win first place, but the judges praised her creativity and effort. Most importantly, Ria realized she had grown as an artist. From that day on, she remembered, you don't have to be perfect to start. Small steps every day lead to big progress. Ria continued practicing, and a year later, her artwork was featured in a local gallery. All it took was believing in herself and taking small steps. Every day, after her artwork was featured in the local gallery, Ria felt proud, but she also realized that real growth meant pushing herself further. She wanted to improve more, not just for competitions, but for herself. One afternoon, she heard about a national art contest open to teenagers across India. The idea of competing with so many talented artists made her nervous. "What if I fail?" she whispered to herself. But then she remembered the small steps that helped her before. She decided to take it one step at a time. She spent mornings experimenting with different painting styles. Afternoons were for learning digital art online. Evenings were for reflecting on her progress and sketching freely. Weeks passed. Ria's skills improved dramatically. She submitted her artwork to the contest, a digital painting showing a tiny sapling growing into a tree under a stormy sky, symbolizing hope and perseverance. A few weeks later, she received the results. Ria didn't win the top prize, but she received a special recognition award for creativity and originality. More importantly, she had proven to herself that she could face challenges without fear. Ria realized that success isn't only measured by winning. Every attempt, every sketch, every small improvement counted. She started teaching art to younger students in her neighborhood, sharing the lesson she had learned. You don't have to start as the best. You just have to start. Small, steady steps can take you further than you ever imagined. Ria's journey continued. She kept learning, kept creating, and most importantly, kept believing in herself. And as she looked at her first messy sketches, she smiled, knowing that every masterpiece begins with a single, brave step. Big achievements start with small, consistent steps. Believe in yourself. Keep learning and never fear failure. Every effort brings you closer to your dreams. Believe that you can do it, and everything is possible. Only you need consistency and confidence on WhatsApp you are doing. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories like this.